Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are listening. Welcome back. Day 63. Amazing guys, rock on. And you guys are totally rock stars. And I think every day when we hop on a new port in this voyage, you're living that port. We go and see the beautiful things in that port. And from last 60 days, we are on a sailing, and every day we touch a new port. See how excitement it is. And we are on a voyage to a Disney World, and we will only stop when we will reach Disney World. And I think that's the commitment, that's the dedication, that's the focus we have. And I'm sure guys you're also building that qualities in you, because that is what makes a lot of difference in your attitude. As we always heard, we always say your attitude decides your altitude, and that's so very true. Because if you have an attitude of doing and that commitment and focused, just imagine man how higher you can go. There is no even limit. uh, People put a limit, people would have a limit to it, but if you are following this, everything is limitless. There is nothing which has a limit. God has given everything, man. That's what I've been preaching and I've been telling in my past few all videos. There is nothing that God has divided or boundary onto it. Sun comes out and it gives sunlight to everyone. Earth is giving food to every one of us. So just imagine, the universe has no kind of an boundaries. It's a limitless. Same goes for us. They have a limitless things for us. And we just have to be in our state of commitment, state of acceptance, and that's what the mantra is. That's what the success formula is, I would say. So if your attitude is that whatever it may come, I have that trust in my almighty. My higher powers are with me. Magic is always happening behind the scene, because my higher powers, my almighty, my God, we are their children. They are taking care of us. So just if you have that notion, if you have that belief, if you have that trust, if you have that commitment, things will be getting easier, guys. And that's what I've been telling. Don't make yourself complicated with so many other things which is not even relevant. You have that wisdom, you have that knowledge, you know what is good, what is not good for you. So just steer away from all those things which is not even relevant to you. Why to get indulged in the things? It's like, if I want to eat an apple, and if you give me banana, which is not, I don't want that moment, but I want to have apple. But if you're giving me banana, it's not relevant to me. I say okay, thank you so much. And if someone is offering me apple, I will say thank you so much. So it's the same thing. Another example I would quote is, uh, like if you're making a dish, every dish has some ingredients which you have to put. But if you put everything in that dish, whatever you know, and with all kind of things, what will come out of that dish? Nothing. You will never like that dish, because you put everything which is not even used for that dish. So the same goes for you. So whatever is used to you, whatever is relevant to you, take that. Whatever is not, let it go. You have that wisdom. Let it go. Put that filter and say, guys, okay, happy, move on. If people are calling you, hey, let's discuss this, let's discuss that. Sorry, I'm not that person. It's your, yes, if there is something which is of interest to me, which I like, I will talk to that. If I don't like it, if it's not interest to me, I will just move on. Why should I get indulged into it? So guys, you have to build that habit. You have to have that attitude, and see the altitude. There is no depth. There is no height of your altitude. So on that note, guys, I think you would have enjoyed this video as always. In my past few, all my past videos, and it's always a pleasure and an honor to come and talk to you. And you guys are extended family to me. It's so very pleasure and pleasant to come and discuss with you. So on that note, thank you so much. Till we meet tomorrow, have a great and a wonderful day. Thank you.